Bismillah Rahman Rahim. My friends, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. As you know that I have a channel with the name of Amin Keshi in which I upload travel kind of vlogs. So basically, my job is a truck driving. So you have seen most of my uploads in the past that I was putting videos of truck vlogs. So today is Sunday. So usually I leave on Sunday from my home for work. So today my destination is Montreal, and I'm going to pick up my truck, and I'm going to pick up my trailer. Then I will head to my destination. So stay tuned with me. I will show you the beautiful views on highway and beautiful views in the Montreal. So friends, as you can see that I'm leaving for work. This is my car. This one is my car. I'm going to sit in it. I go to my place where I park the truck. So keep in touch. I will show you beautiful views in the night and tomorrow day. So friends, as you can see that I left my home and I'm going to the yard where I park my truck. First I'm going to do some pre-trip on my truck. Then I'm going to hook up the trailer in the same yard, and then I will be good to go. Maybe I will stop on the way for some fill up in the truck. So friends, as you can see that I hook up this trailer. Its number is 9P150. It was stuck, it was buried behind the trailers. So it took me like 15 minutes to take the trailer out. Now I have just done the inspection of the trailer. I checked the tires, tire pressure, license plate, safety, and the seal on the door. So this is kind of seal here. You can see all the lights working. So this is how we truck drivers do. So I'm just gonna leave. Just have to make a driver's logbook. I have to fill it up. I have to put all the information of the truck and trailer plus the load. Then I will leave from here. So friends, as you can see, I have started driving on highway. This highway is called Highway 401. It runs east-west. If you go to east, it will take you to Montreal. Towards the eastern Canada. If you go to west, it will take you to Detroit. Detroit is the city of Michigan. Michigan is a neighboring state of Ontario, and it is located in the US. So I have to drive on this Highway 401 East almost another 4.5 hours. So you can see there are like only few lights on the highway. As I'm passing through a city, it is called Oshawa, Ontario. So Oshawa is at least hour and a half away from Toronto, the place I park my truck. So you will see after a couple of kilometers there will be no light on the highway and no traffic. The traffic will be it's called heavy trucks, truck and trailer. Because usually the truckers leave in the night because there are no traffic on the highway, no police, no commercial scales. So stay in touch, friends. I will show you the destination when I will be get there. Okay. So my friends and my dearest friends, as you can see, there is no light on the highway. This is called a dark highway in the night. Usually when you pass through a small town or a small city, you will see the lights, but right now there are no lights. So my destination is almost 4 hours away from the current location. So I will see you there in the morning because my delivery appointment of this load is 7 o'clock. So see you then. So guys, I just stopped my truck on the side of the highway just to take a look the brake check because there's a downhill coming, so I have to make sure the brakes are okay. I'm going to check the tire pressure. So the brakes are okay. Now I have to continue towards my destination. So friends, I have reached at Dollarama. This is a very big location in Montreal. I just got here and the security guard gave me this location to park. So I parked my truck here and I will sleep almost like 3 hours here and I will wake up in 7 o'clock for delivery. So we'll talk in the morning. Good morning my friend, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. By the grace of God, I'm also well. So right now it's 7 o'clock here in Montreal. As I mentioned yesterday that I have to be here before 7. So I reach here around 4 o'clock, 4 a.m. I slept for 2.5 hours. Now this company is open and I'm waiting for my unloading dock where I have to back up my trailer for delivery. So right now the weather is very awesome, very nice, very cool weather. I can show you. It's raining. So you can see, friends, the weather outside. It's very nice weather. It's raining since I reached here. It was actually raining on the way when I was driving to this area. Let me clear my windows. Very nice weather outside. So this is the company where I brought this full truckload. I don't know how long I have to wait here. Just waiting for one number. I mean, that is called an appointment number. With that number, you know, they accept the load. I'm just waiting for the dispatcher's call, so they will call me around maybe 10-15 minutes. So friends, welcome again. As you know that I brought the load from Toronto to Montreal here. This morning I reached here around 3:30, 3:45. The place who was the consignee, they say that this is not our load. You have to take it to different location. So when I went there after spending 6-7 hours here, they say your appointment is tomorrow morning 6:30. No, I'm kind of stuck over here. I can't move. I can't pick up any load because my trailer is full. So I have to spend overnight here on the street. I'll show you the outside view. As you can see, friends, that I have parked my truck on the side street where I will spend my night in the truck. So what can I say? This is called trucking, you know, trucking. No timetable, no schedule. Trucking is getting worse and worse day by day. So no choice. So friends, take care of yourself. See you tomorrow morning. So guys, finally I got rid of the load which I brought from Toronto day before yesterday. As you know that I was stuck at the previous place. They said that you have to bring the load next day mean today, and I was there after Fajr around 6:30. So it took 4.5 hours to offload my trailer. So from there I came to Montreal East area, and I was here around 11, I think 45 a.m. Now it's almost 3 o'clock. So today is a very bad day. I mean, this trip was very bad because wasting too much time making nothing, just waste of time. Because I get paid on percentage. Percentage means whatever the gross value of the load they pay to me, they took their own percentage. I mean, dispatch fees and accounting fees, admin fees, stuff like that. So when you work on a mileage or hourly, you make money, but when you work on a percentage, I mean owner operator, just I am an owner operator, I have my own truck. So this is the reason, you know. Anyway, you know, someday you make money, someday you don't, so it's part of life. It's a very big company. It's name of this company is XTL Transport. This is located east of Montreal. This city is called Montreal East. It's all French guys. They hardly speak English. Anyway, I will be here another maybe 40 minutes, then I will be out of here. So friends, I'm gonna finish my vlog today for today's vlog. As you know that I left my place on Sunday evening, and usually I come back within 24 hours, but due to the mismanagement of my dispatch, my company guys who booked the load for me, I was stuck for overnight in Montreal, and even though I delivered that load on that place, and they took like 4 or 5 hours to unload my trailer, empty my trailer. Then I went to another place to pick up the load, and those guys were so lazy guys. They took like 3.5 hours, and now I'm heading back to my home. So it's like a long story short, the conclusion of my vlog is that you saw how a truck driver does his job and how many hurdles he faces during his daily activities. So in that, my friends, I'm gonna finish my vlog now. So hope you like my video. If you like it, subscribe it and hit the bell icon and share with your friends. So see you then in the next video. Take care guys. Bye bye.